Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be applying this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. This is the pre-everything wig. It has 13x4 lace space. You'll get a clip in the back, and then you get a removable adjustable band. So I previously applied this wig, but I lost all the footage, so we're applying it again. First, I'm going to add my lace tinting spray in the darkest color, and then they sent over extra ear tabs, so I'm just gonna put those back on there. Ear tabs on the wig are really great because they are a way that you can wear your wig completely glueless, no spray, no nothing. Of course, you can still use spray or glue on this wig, but you got options. So I just applied the ear tabs on the sides because that's where I'm going to lay them down, and then we're just trying on the wig again. And the original video that I did where I lost all the footage, I did a middle part, so that's why it has a middle part in it. But we're going to switch this over and make it a side part. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like on. The hair looks amazing. So I'm just going to part, and as you can see, you have plenty of parting space. I'm just showing you guys how much parting space you get with this wig. So you can do a left side part, or right side part, a middle part, a zigzag part, whatever you want, because it is 13x4, so you have plenty of space to just customize. So I'm just gonna start by making my part, and then of course we don't want the hair to be bulky or anything, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my wax stick, and then I'm gonna hot comb it until it's nice and flat in the front. Okay, now that my hair is nice and flat, I'm going to pin my hair back, and we're going to start with this side. And I'm just going to take off the tape. It's double-sided, so I'm just taking it off, and then I'm just pressing it in place for about 10 seconds. The thing about the ear tabs is the longer you wear it, the more they can stick. These can last up to 7 days, like without using glue or anything, and they are waterproof, so this is perfect. So this is a great option if you don't want to use glue or anything, but like I said, you can definitely do that. Okay, now I'm just pulling my baby hairs out. I recently cut the sideburn parts of it, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I'm just gonna pull those out and swoop it using my Nairobi mousse. So that my baby hairs can set, I'm just going to wrap it with my elastic band, the Beauty Forever band, of course. Okay, now we're just gonna cut a little bit of layers and frame the face a little bit. Now I'm just going to curl my hair going to the back. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to curl it all over because I want that effortless body wave look, my favorite look. Now I'm just adding a little bit of my concealer to that part so that it can be nice and defined. And then I just made sure that my hair was completely cool before I brushed it all out. And I'm just going to add like a little bit of foundation to the hairline so everything can match. Okay, so I'm just brushing all of the curls out so it can have the nice effortless look, but the hair is very curly and I love that it can hold a curl very nicely. It's very silky hair. It's just very pretty overall. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig, so everything is done for you, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all of that stuff. You can definitely wear it completely glueless like I did, just with the ear tabs, and the hair isn't going anywhere. I can tug it and everything and it's not going anywhere. As you can see, I have a lot of density in this wig. Oh, there goes the tug right there. It is not going anywhere. I didn't have to add anything to it. This is the length of it. Absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely recommend. So yeah, if you like this wig or any other wig from Beauty Forever Hair, I will have all the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.
Don't stop on a trip.